Hello everyone, thank you for connecting with us. In this video, we will help you understand life at IIIT Delhi, its culture, hostel, facilities and much more. We have with us Dr. Shobha Sundar Ram, Dean of Student Affairs and Dr. Ravi Bhasin, Manager Student Affairs. So Dr. Shobha, what all can a student do at IIIT Delhi apart from academics?
At IIIT Delhi, students learn to manage their time between academics and extracurricular activities. We have more than 30 active clubs and students take part in a number of social, technical and cultural activities as part of these clubs. So through these clubs, their leadership skills are fostered and also it helps build team spirit. So we have clubs based on adventure, music, dance and painting, software development, game development, electronics, community work, entrepreneurship, photography, chess, quizzing, sightseeing, public speaking and more.
So Dr. Ravi, what all facilities are there for such clubs or recreational activities?
The dining and the student center building, basically we have all the facilities available for our students, which includes mess facilities. Then for clubs, we have rooms available at the third floor. Then we have a very good sports center available wherein we have table tennis facilities, pool table facilities, then a gym, a very well-established gym is there. We have a swimming pool facility, we have badminton facility court available indoor. In the outdoor facilities, we have volleyball, tennis courts, basketball courts and open field, which is a football ground. And students are using for multi-purpose activities in that particular ground. So not only apart from sports and other these facilities, we have provided students with very good medical center also, wherein 24/7 the nurse and the doctors are available. Then our common rooms are also well equipped with all the required material for our students. Our students also participate in various sports activities, not only within the institute, but also outside, like in various IITs, IIMs, in Delhi particularly DTU, NSUT and IIT-Delhi.
So Dr. Ravi, can you tell us more about the hostel facilities at the institute?
So as IIIT Delhi campus is situated in the heart of the city, so we have at present 4 hostel buildings, 2 for boys and 2 for girls, with total accommodation of approximately 1,650 beds. That also, then there are 22 rooms are available for married PhD students also. And our hostel rooms are well equipped, bed, chair, table, all the things which students require for their academic activities are available. Very high internet speed is also available in the campus, in the hostels particularly. Then during the night time, we have air conditioning. And during the winter time, we have this hot air facilities also available. So hostel allocation is basically done on a institute, as per the institute policy. And not everybody, yes, of course, will get the hostels, but we try to accommodate as many as per our available capacity.
So Dr. Shobha, at IIIT Delhi, what are the student events and how are they managed?
Yes, we have a student council, which is the main body that represents students in these matters. It consists of a president, treasurer and other coordinators. There are 2 main student festivals, the technical festival ESSIA, which means a journey or an adventure. The theme is exploring infinity and beyond. This is organized every year in August or September at our campus. ESSIA is a platform that not only showcases technical expertise, but also integrates technology with social causes. The second festival is a cultural festival called Odyssey, which is organized in January every year. Apart from these 2 major festivals, we also host multiple other events by the students, including the TEDx at IIIT Delhi, the B.Tech, M.Tech induction, festival celebrations, farewell, International Yoga Day and so on.
Thank you Dr. Shobha and Dr. Ravi for the insightful information. For more details, please visit our website www.iiitd.ac.in or contact us through the details mentioned on your screen. Have a good day.